Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the SAMPHON Solar Porch Lights, a waterproof and energy-saving solution for your outdoor lighting needs. These lights use high-efficiency solar panels to capture sunlight during the day and power up your porch at night without any electrical bills. With two lighting modes, sensor mode brightens when motion is detected, and steady mode provides consistent medium brightness from dusk to dawn. Built to withstand rain, snow, and harsh weather, these durable lights ensure reliable performance year-round. Installation is quick and easy with no wiring required, perfect for walls, fences, or trees. Plus, they add a modern, stylish touch to your porch, garage, or garden while enhancing security. Remember to switch them on and charge in sunlight for 8 hours before first use for optimal results. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.